Welcome. In front of me is a POCO F5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our toggles from the top right side of the screen and simply locate the power saving toggle. Now, I actually don't see it in my case, so chances are that it's not added by default, so we'll need to do so by clicking right here on this box. And as you can see, battery saver is right over here, so we're going to tap on this plus. It will get added to our toggles. I'm going to select done, and we have now access to it on one of the pages. And from here, simply click on it to enable it. And that's all you need to do. Now, power saving mode could possibly be changing some of the things that, like how the phone actually syncs up data, as an example. So if you experience any kind of delays in mail fetching or messages being delivered to you from apps that require internet connection, like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on, then it's most likely the fault of your battery saver right here. And obviously, to fix that problem, all you would need to do is turn off the battery saver. So there we go. Now, as you can see, there's also a couple additional things happening. So when you enable it, it will lower down the brightness just a little bit. It also turns off 120 Hz refresh rate and just sticks with the 60. And that's basically all I can observe. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.